Hey lovelies, I'm back in the kitchen. After a while, I know I haven't been uploading much lately. I've been working on some really cool projects like a short film, and I've been busy with the kids and stuff. So I apologize, but now I am back in the kitchen and I'm going to make some food with this cute little skillet here. This one is for making Tamagoyaki, which is exactly what I'm going to attempt to make today. Tamagoyaki is a Japanese omelet, which is sweet, and they roll it up and cut it in slices and put it in bento boxes or on top of sushi. I'm going to make my own fusion version with some mozzarella cheese. So stay tuned. These are my ingredients. Let's check them out. I have organic eggs here. These are really small, so I'm going to use about 4 or 5 of them. I will use brown rice milk, which is not official, but I think it will work. Some tamari and also salt. This is my homemade herbal salt. And I'm going to add some kelp powder. This is fresh mozzarella cheese, and I'm also going to use some nori sheets. In the official recipe, you would be using dashi broth, which is made with fish flakes and I think kelp. I'm not really sure, but it has this umami fishy flavor. I don't have that, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of this kelp powder, which I usually use in smoothies or in my herbal salt. So that's going to give that seaweedy flavor. And also in place, that's not English, that's Dutch. Instead of the sugar, I'm going to use brown rice milk, which has natural sweetness to it, so I don't have to add any sugar. In a bowl, I'm going to crack 4 eggs. These are tiny ones. If you have medium eggs, I think 3 will be enough. I might even add 1 more. 1/3 of a cup of rice milk, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of kelp powder, 1/2 teaspoon of soy sauce. Officially, I should do this with chopsticks, but I'm going to use a whisk. Not too fluffy. Set this aside. I'm going to cut up my mozzarella in really thin slices. Like that. 1 sheet of nori in half. Heat medium-low. Some olive oil. Make sure to coat the entire skillet. Scoop in 1 thin layer of egg. Like that. Now I'm putting on a sheet of nori. And now is the exciting part. I'm going to try and roll up my first layer. Now push it to the back and add another thin layer of egg, but first some more oil. Oop. To this layer, I'm going to add my mozzarella. Layer number 3. Add my nori. Gently roll it up. And this is going to be my final layer. And I will leave it like this without the filling. There we go. Now push it to the back, and now I'm just going to press it gently and shape it. You can buy a tamago skillet in any Asian store or a cookware store. Just make sure you get one without the toxic layer, so avoid the Teflon layer if you can. You have many varieties these days, so plenty of choice. Let me know what you think of the recipe in the comments below. Thumbs up if you want more Japanese recipes. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you will subscribe to my channel, and I really, really, really hope to see you in my next video. Bye.